Let's have a look at those transaction counters, make sure that starts running on both. I'm sure it will. Let that ramp up. Okay, so the second test run is complete. Let's have a look at the data. So this machine on the left was the one where velocity was disabled. You can see the velocity service still stopped. It wouldn't have been able to do anything. So let's type in the data there. So we've got 113,985 SQL transactions per minute, and the number of orders processed per minute was 24,743. And on the machine with velocity active this time, it was 171,668 SQL transactions per minute and 37,272 orders processed per minute. Wow, an even bigger increase that time. So, as you can see, I've done a number of runs. That was run number 12. Let's make that nice and big so we can see that. So you can see that in each of the runs, and by the way, I was alternating which machine was running velocity each time. You can see in every single run a significant number more orders were able to be processed by this e-commerce type workload when velocity was active. And for you SQL DBAs out there, significantly more SQL transactions were able to be processed in the same amount of time when velocity was active.